In the age of adventure and exploration, capturing every thrilling moment doesn't have to break the bank. Whether you're hiking through rugged landscapes, biking down steep trails, or just enjoying a day at the beach, the right action camera can help you immortalize your experiences in stunning detail. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best budget action cameras available today, proving that you can achieve impressive quality and features without spending a fortune. Join us as we explore these top contenders, showcasing their unique capabilities so you can find the perfect companion for your next adventure. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Apexcam M80 Air 4K Action Camera. The Apexcam is your ultimate companion for capturing every thrilling moment of your adventures. Weighing just 431 grams, this compact action camera empowers you to record stunning 4K videos at 30 frames per second, ensuring your high-energy experiences are preserved with exceptional clarity. Regardless of the lighting, be it bright sunlight or dusky evenings, the advanced Sony image sensor excels in low-light situations, allowing you to capture breathtaking scenes that reflect the beauty of your adventures. Whether you're exploring the depths of underwater worlds or traversing scenic landscapes, the Apexcam ensures you never miss a moment. With its impressive 20-megapixel photo sensor, you can take vivid still images that artistically complement your videos. The wide 170-degree field of view captures more of your surroundings, bringing your adventures to life. Built to endure, the Apexcam boasts an IPX7 waterproof rating, enabling you to dive up to 133 feet with the included waterproof case, making it your go-to for aquatic escapades. Navigating settings and reviewing your shots is a breeze thanks to the large touch LCD screen. You can enjoy all these high-quality features without breaking the bank. The Apexcam invites you to unleash your creativity and embrace adventure, making it the perfect tool for documenting your most exciting memories. Step into a world of exploration and let the Apexcam be your guide. Number 4. AKASO EK7000 Pro 4K Action Camera. If you're looking for a budget-friendly action camera, the AKASO EK7000 Pro could be a great choice for your adventures. This compact device offers stunning 4K video capabilities, allowing you to capture high-quality footage that rivals more expensive models. With a 20-megapixel sensor, you can also take breathtaking still images to preserve your memories. While the EK7000 Pro excels in many areas, it's important to note that you may encounter occasional challenges, particularly with the app and stabilization features, which can lead to some noise in your videos. However, when it comes to everyday usage, especially for sharing on social media, the camera performs admirably, particularly in Full HD at 60 frames per second, ensuring your adventures look vibrant and clear. Weighing just 61 grams and designed to withstand depths of up to 40 meters with the appropriate housing, this camera is ready to join you on all your outdoor excursions. Plus, with 90 minutes of battery life per charge, you'll have ample time to capture every moment. In summary, the AKASO EK7000 Pro is a solid option for anyone eager to document their adventures without breaking the bank. If you're ready to dive into the world of action cameras, this compact and affordable choice might just be the perfect fit for you. Still searching for the perfect budget action camera? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. WOLFANG GA300 4K Action Camera. If you're on the hunt for an action camera that seamlessly combines quality and affordability, the WOLFANG Budget Action Camera could be just what you need. This camera opens up a realm of cinematic possibilities, allowing you to capture stunning 4K videos at both 60 frames per second and the traditional 30 frames per second settings. Are you passionate about slow-motion footage? You'll love the capability to record at an impressive 240 frames per second in 720 pixel, adding an exciting dimension to your adventures. Right out of the box, the WOLFANG camera comes equipped with essential accessories, getting you ready for exploration without any hassle. Its sturdy 40 meters underwater housing instills confidence for your aquatic escapades, while the lightweight design, only 67 grams, ensures hassle-free portability, whether you're hiking, biking, or embarking on your next adventure. With a stills resolution of 20 megapixels, you can take vibrant photos that pair beautifully with your videos. Plus, the battery life offers up to 80 minutes of recording time per charge, allowing you to focus on capturing those unforgettable moments without the stress of constant recharging. With the Wolfang action camera in your hands, you'll have the perfect tool to embrace your creative spirit and document every thrilling experience in stunning detail, whether you're exploring the land or diving into the depths of the ocean. Number 2. AKASO Brave 4K Wi-Fi Action Camera. If you're seeking a budget-friendly action camera that delivers both usability and versatility, the AKASO Brave 7 LE is a great choice for you. One of its standout features is the front display, making it a breeze to frame your shots, ideal for vlogging or capturing selfies. Plus, with impressive weatherproofing, you can take this camera on any adventure without worrying about the elements. You'll likely appreciate the above-average audio quality. It outperforms many other options outside the GoPro lineup, ensuring clear sound even in quieter settings. Navigating through the intuitive touchscreen interface is seamless, allowing you to access settings quickly and capture unforgettable moments without any hassle. Connectivity is another key advantage. You can easily link the Brave 7 LE to your laptop or TV via USB or HDMI, opening up exciting possibilities for viewing and editing your adventures. While it shoots in 4K resolution, keep in mind that it may not outshine some other competitors in its price range. However, it excels in low-light situations and effectively reduces noise, enhancing your photo quality. Weighing just 127 grams and boasting an IPX7 waterproof rating, this camera is an excellent companion for outdoor activities. With features like 720 pixels shooting at 120 frames per second for action-packed moments, the Brave 7 LE offers remarkable value for your adventures. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. GoPro Hero7 White Waterproof Action Camera. If you're on the lookout for an affordable action camera, the GoPro Hero7 White could be your perfect companion for adventures without straining your budget. While it may not boast the latest features, this camera remains a reliable option that delivers solid performance at an accessible price. One of the standout features of the Hero7 White is its compatibility with a broad range of GoPro accessories. This allows you to tailor your setup to meet your specific needs, although be mindful that you will need to purchase a separate frame for mounting, as it does not include a built-in system. Built for durability, the Hero7 White is both shockproof and waterproof, enabling you to immerse yourself in aquatic adventures up to 10 meters deep. Whether you're hiking rugged trails, biking through picturesque landscapes, or enjoying exhilarating water sports, this camera is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. The user-friendly 2-inch touchscreen enhances your shooting experience by allowing for easy navigation of playback and settings. With a built-in battery lasting around 2 hours, you'll have plenty of time to capture those unforgettable moments. Additionally, the voice control feature lets you start recording hands-free, though it may have difficulty in noisy environments. With the capability to shoot stunning 1440 pixel or 1080 pixel video and 10 megapixel still images, the Hero7 White offers an ideal blend of performance and affordability, making it a must-have for your adventures. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which budget action camera you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.